In a vertical garden, we can grow a vast array of plants. Some are edible, some strictly for improving functions, while some are for both. Upright yards are a green solution to urban gardening problems within a limited room. Decorative plants not only contribute to the aesthetic sense of the area yet also help in making the room environmentally friendly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 best decorative plants ideas for vertical garden. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 10 best decorative plants ideas for vertical garden. Number 1. Sword fern. They are most usual vertical garden plants utilized nowadays. Typically grown in hanging baskets on environment-friendly walls. Number 2. Golden pothose or money plant. It is a vining plant that is very simple to take care of. They quickly grow as well as spread over a large size of the wall surface. Number 3. English ivy. Ivy is a sturdy, evergreen vine. It connects itself by airborne rootlets to the walls and other surface areas. Expanded largely for its lush vegetation, which creates a great environment-friendly cover on wall surfaces, or whichever vertical surface area they're expanded on. Number 4. Giant lilydif. They have dense dispersing strap-like fallen leaves that are shiny, as well as dark eco-friendly. Though it is grown for its thick green vegetation, it does grow in summertime, and its blossoms are fairly flashy. Number 5. Philodendron. It is simple to take care of because if you watch the signals, the plant will certainly tell you precisely what it requires. They fit both as indoor and also exterior plants. Number 6. Geranium varieties. They grow in bursts of deep reds, scarlet, pinks, white, purple, etc. with blossoms lasting the entire horticulture period. Number 7. Wedding vines. Wedding vine acquires its name from the decoration function it serves at weddings. It's grown vertically commonly for its pure white, waxy, extremely fragrant flowers. Number 8. Peace lily. Peace lily is utilized in an upright garden owing to its rapidly growing ability. Easy to expand as they are tolerant to reduced light as well as reduced moisture. Number 9. Star jasmine. Evergreen plant and also can be quickly trained on trellis. Number 10. English lavender. Evergreen yard herb prospers in summertime heat and dry weather condition. They are additionally expanded for its medical and cooking usages. that's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.